Hello everybody. After I finished my aligner therapy, I needed some more work and I needed the refinements. So I put it off for a while and AlignerCo gave me a good deal, and I can't discuss all the information regarding that deal. But yes, I just received my package of new Refinement aligners. This is the information how to take care of your aligners, the maintenance. I have this tool to help pull out my aligners. I got this before and I used it a couple of times, but sometime I was scared to use it because I thought it was going to break my aligners. But I guess this is good to have. My aligners weren't hard to come out though. I got 2 chewies to seat the aligners in properly. Every time I take them out and I put them back in, then I'm going to use these, and that'll seat it really well because you want them to fit properly so they can work properly. Yes, y'all, I am going to be in my refinements. So this is the package with my refinements. So from the package here, it says it's 8 of them in here. So I was a little aggravated with AlignerCo because it's cheaper. It's a cheaper method than some of the other ones, but in the end, you may still be spending money. Okay, here is my movement record form. Oh, I can't show you. Well, I can hide the name, I guess. Okay, so this is supposed to tell you, I guess, what teeth is going to move and all that stuff. I didn't really know how to read that before. They have certain, like a code or something like that, to let you know what teeth are supposed to move. In my opinion, this is what my teeth are looking like now. I don't really need the bottom to move. In my opinion, I think it just gave me 1 retainer. Let me see if they gave me extras, because I know last time I had 2 sets of retainers, and I really think they should have gave me 2 sets this time. Yes, so they gave me 8 aligners, and I have a retainer here, which means that I will have to buy another set of retainers. I don't know if I'm going to get it from them or not, because it should have been included. Spending all this money, it should have been included. But like I said, they gave me a discount, but when all that money adds up, it's still expensive. So let me try these things again. This is what my teeth are looking like. There's nowhere that it should be. I see a little changes, but it should be straighter than that. If this treatment does not work with these refinements, I'm just going to save up money, and I'm going further in my journey, maybe with another method, because I don't like just wasting money for nothing. Okay, so this is the top. Teeth still look huge, right? Here's the bottom. I noticed these look way smaller than my originals, so I guess that's what my teeth are supposed to be looking like now. And again, here's the top. So let me put it in. Having a hard time getting these in. Let me open up my chewies, but I don't want to break this aligner. you don't. So I hope you all are having a good day. My day is okay so far. I'm gonna put the bottom in. I hope they didn't give me the wrong size. It's not going well. Yeah. So I got the bottom in. Yeah, it's a little bit painful at this top. I'm worried about this top here. I almost got it in. Okay. Ooh. I thought they had sent me the wrong size. So, of course, they're real tight. Ooh, I feel a lot of pressure. Ooh. That's what you want to feel, though. You want to feel pressure and feel that these things are working. Because if they're loose or if they get loose too soon, and they're not telling me this, I'm telling y'all this, then it may not be working correctly. So, hopefully these are going to help a lot. I'm not holding out too much hope because I don't want to get my hopes up too high. But it's still somewhat affordable. Okay. If you're saving up money to go on your AlignerCo journey, and this is just the truth from me to you, you're going to need extra money. Okay, you're going to pay your regular price for your aligners and your retainers. But if anything goes wrong, you're going to need more money to get the refinements. And without a deal, everything's going to be expensive because when I had to keep getting those impression kits, now this time I did the impression kit one time and things came out pretty good and I was so happy. I was really happy about that. But yes, you're going to need to pay for your aligners, and like I said, maybe do it around the holidays or look online for some specials. If I can find some kind of coupon or something, I will include it. But yes, you're going to need extra money just in case things don't go well with your trying on your impressions. Sometimes they'll send it to you for free, but the majority of the time you're going to be paying. So just be prepared, okay? The other companies are like $2,000 or more dollars. Also go online and look at the pictures that they have of people who finished their treatment. And if their teeth are very similar to yours, then you can kind of guide how things may turn out, okay? I also will tell you that you need to see your dentist before. Sure you don't have no cavities, no loose teeth, stuff like that, because you don't want no delays in your treatment. Okay, so maybe by the end of my treatment, I'll be up here smiling like this. Okay, y'all, so thank you so much for watching. I'm 56 years old. I'm going to be 57. This treatment is good for people of most ages. Okay, it's not just a teenager thing or anything like that. So if you want to get something, if you want to change something about yourself, save that money. Don't spend it. They also have payment plans, but the interest, goes up pretty fast. You know, if you don't pay that thing off by a certain time, then the interest start taking over. So I would advise you to pay for all of it at one time. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching.